Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your REALME Buds T200 Lite. Firstly, make sure that your earbud is charging. So maybe you need to put this earbud to the charging case and charge it. Okay, if you know that it charged, the next step is to perform a software reset. To perform a software reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone, and then you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then check, is it fixed? If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to remove your earbuds from the charging case. At the back side, on the earbuds, at the top right here, we have touch areas, and you need to press and hold both of these touch areas for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device. Now if you have Android, you need to click pair new device, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap on them at the device list and click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!